Welcome to our channel. If you're confused about interest rates, follow these step-by-step instructions to understand APY versus interest rate and maximize earnings. Step 1. Learn that APY stands for annual percentage yield. This figure shows the real rate you earn, including the effects of compound interest over 1 year. Step 2. Understand that the interest rate is the base rate banks pay before compounding. This is the starting point for calculating earnings, but doesn't tell the complete story. Step 3. Know that APY is always equal to or higher than the stated interest rate. The difference comes from compound interest, where you earn interest on previously earned interest. Step 4. Compare accounts using APY, not interest rate alone. A PY provides an apples-to-apples comparison, showing what you'll actually earn after 1 year. Step 5. Understand that compounding frequency affects APY significantly. Daily compounding produces higher APY than monthly or annual compounding from the same base interest rate. Step 6. Calculate how much you'll earn by multiplying your balance by the APY. On $10,000 with 4.5% APY, you'll earn approximately $450 in 1 year. Step 7. Know that APY assumes you don't withdraw funds during the year. Taking money out reduces compound interest effects and actual earnings below the advertised APY. Step 8. Watch for introductory rates versus ongoing APY. Some accounts offer high promotional rates temporarily, then drop to lower rates after the promotional period ends. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.